means the house where una dey stay and nobody dey there again.
Nobody dey there. Don't spoil our properties. Our babies, everything don't spoil.
When we talk about flood in Nigeria, it seems the one happening in Delta State is not talked about enough. This is Asaba, the capital city of Delta State. Many parts of the city has been taken over by flood. In fact, people that have been displaced in so many parts of Delta State now live by the roadside here in Asaba, the road that leads to the second Niger bridge being constructed by the current Nigerian government. This is where people are living. This is where they park their cars, they build shanties, and they are living by this roadside morning, afternoon, night. They cook here, eat here, sleep here, do everything here because they are now homeless. They don't have any other place to go to. This is quite terrible. People are going through a lot in Nigeria at the moment. We interviewed a lady who is also a victim staying by this roadside, and she lamented, talking about the sad experiences they're having at this moment. She has more babies, and all of them are living by the roadside inside the shanties they constructed. The worst part of it is that snakes and other wild animals do enter their houses because those animals have also been pursued from the bush by flood.
Hello, madam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please, if you know your name.
My name is a blessing.
Is a blessing.
Yes.
You are from this Delta State, right?
Yes.
Okay. We came to see the flood victims here in Asaba because we learned that they are staying by this roadside that leads to second Niger bridge. So we have come, we have seen so many people living by the roadside. And could you just tell us, how did flood pursue you guys? Where are you guys staying before?
We are staying on Asaba. And because of pursue us. We won't stay for garage now. Just the head to that place.
Garage?
Yes, for
okay.
Not a small thing, not too much.
Yeah. So it means the house where una dey stay and nobody dey there again.
Nobody dey there. Don't spoil our properties. Our babies, everything don't spoil.
So at this place now, they sleep,
yes.
They eat, they do everything.
Yes, sure. And this place where you say, this place where you just say, you know even, I can't see the enter am. Also snake with water pursue for inside is the bush. See the enter.
They still enter this side, yes. Inside this place.
Yes. And we still carry small picking for hand.
Yeah. But has any government agency come here like to render any help of any kind before?
No.
Nobody has come here?
No, I never see anybody. We don't feel from them, never see us. Because they go market every day. No sir, it's better for sure. So we just there, that's the money.
Okay. I'm still going to put out this video out there. You know, anybody that is willing to help out, you can see the condition they are living in. It's so bad. They are homeless at this point. Their houses, their properties, everything destroyed. Everything is destroyed, and they're just living here by the roadside in these kind of shanties they just constructed for the moment until the water goes down. So these people here, they really need help. If it's food items, if you can house any of them in a better accommodation until everything comes to normal, it will be highly appreciated. If it's in terms of money, whatever you can do to help the situation that's happening, it will be well appreciated.